Oh my god, these things are huge. I just keep catching these monsters out here. Get over there. Where's your sister? Misty. Come on, big girl. Get back there. Go. Get in the back.
You remember food for Lexi?
Of course I got her food. I didn't bring her treats, but I got her.
Misty was over sniffing at
You didn't change anything about it.
Nope.
Great deal. What's the weight on that one, your Swift?
This is 29.
Oh, a mere 29 pounds, he says.
I think it's 32 with the yoke.
Oh, okay. Yeah, which you don't need. Nor pork.
You want the step stool, or you got her there?
I think I'll manage right there. I gotta figure it out with this. It's gonna be weighted forward with the paddles in it.
I think you got her there.
Yeah.
Yeah. There you go.
There we are. Are you gonna have a rod set up for when we get out there?
Oh yeah.
Like set up with bait now, kind of thing?
I kind of wing it.
Yeah.
I'll probably wait till I'm. Say hi to the open air outdoor crowd, Pete.
Hello, open air outdoor crowd.
Okay, everyone, we're back out on the water. Another little adventure. I have a friend with me, Pete from Latitudes. Go check out his channel. Of course, all the links are below for him. And Pete and I are gonna do a little, what is it, 3 days or 3 days, eh?
3 days.
3 days, 2 nights in the back country. And it's gonna be fun no matter what happens. We always have fun. And we'll talk a little bit more about Pete later on. Let's go secure a campsite. So I keep latching onto small fish, a lot of small bass. They're robbing me blind, so I changed to a soft plastic lure. They just keep robbing me and robbing me. They might be fun, but they're too small. Pete's up ahead of me, enjoying it all, soaking it all in. Pretty soon, probably within the hour, hopefully we'll be setting up camp. And it's going to be a couple of days of exploring this lake. Not so much. I'm familiar with these waters. I've been here many times before, but I haven't been here in a long time, so it's nice to be back. And this evening is where I'm hoping the real action is going to kick up. We're quite lucky we have the wind at our advantage here today. It's a very leisurely paddle, very light breeze at our backs. It's perfect. I have Lexi with me today, not Misty. Hey Lexi. Yeah. It's been a while since Lexi had a return to come out here. The bass are just tiny bass are too small to get hooked, but they're big enough to rob my bait.
Yeah.
I just got tired of rebaiting as I switched to a soft plastic and put an end to these little things.
I need to catch less fish, Mark says. What a pain in the balls. Catching so many fish, I have to stop paddling and unhook. And...
It is. It's a pain in the ass.
Oh, what a pain in the nuts.
From over there, I think I was looking at this point over here, and I thought that was my spot, but it's that one over there. Oh, I got something a little bit heavier this time. Oh! Did you see that jump on that? Oh! Oh, he's a fighter. He's hanging on, man. This thing's pulling drag. Oh! This thing's crazy. This is the best fighting bass I've had this year. Oh! Oh! Son of a gun! Dude! This thing's a monster.
Oh, yeah.
It's a
Oh, dude, it's a tank.
Look at this thing. Look at this.
Look at this thing. Oh, my goodness.
Oh.
Holy crap.
Hang on here. I'm shaking.
That's nice fish.
Okay, let's not lose him because he's going to be in a frying pan. Look at
Hold on a second.
That's a football right there.
Wow.
I think I just secured supper.
Nice.
Oh man, what a fight.
I'm going to try and come around and get a good shot. Oh, dude.
Oh, that's my best this summer.
Nice.
100%, that's my best this summer. And you know what the awesome part is?
What's that?
In these northern Ontario lakes,
Yeah.
you can eat these.
Yeah, exactly, eh? Look at that. That's a nice fish. Okay, hold on.
Beauty. One more.
Awesome, man. Good job. Nice, man. That's a chunky. That's freaking awesome.
You know what? I wish you would have caught that.
Oh, no, it's all good.
I wish you would have caught that. Get the Northern Ontario experience.
Oh, it's all good.
Well, that's okay. We're here for 3 days, and this is
Yeah.
just, we've only been on the water for a few hours.
Oh, my word.
I got something a little bit heavier this time.
Oh, I just missed another big fatso. He let go just as he jumped out of the water, and he was a big one too. Oh well, we're gonna get that. Yeah, he was a big one too. A little bit of a fight. We have Mr. Wally. She's a beauty too. That's a good keeper size. That's a good eater. That's a good eater size right there. Beauty, eh? And look at these fish here in Northern Ontario. Pure yellow belly. No white whatsoever. Just
awesome.
Beautiful fish.
That's a really nice looking fish, man.
Yeah.
Gorgeous.
We'll take him home.
Yeah.
Between this and that big fat bass, we got more than enough. We're gonna be gorging tonight. So I'll put him on the stringer.
Okay.
And I think he's a perfect eater.
Yep, for sure.
He's like, what, a 16-incher?
Oh yeah.
And from here on, well, catch and release.
Yep.
Hopefully we'll latch onto some beauties, and we got our supper figured out.
Nice.
It's written in stone now. Oh, it's another monster bass. Whoa. Oh man. Oh, these things are fighters on no end. Oh. Oh. Oh my god, this thing's a football. Hang on, guys. Let me clean your lens. Oh. Oh my god. Okay, I'm getting all messed up here. Oh my god. This is, you won't believe this. Okay, the last bass that I kept was the biggest one this summer. This one's bigger. This is unbelievable. The size of these things. Oh my god. Holy crap, what a fight. Okay, hang on here. You know what? I'm gonna clean the lens for you guys. Hang on. Let me put him on this stringer. I'm gonna clean the lens and I'll show you what he looks like. Hang on. You know that big bass we got back at camp?
Oh no. Dude.
That ain't no big bass.
Oh no.
I'm gonna let it go. I put him on the string to show you. This is a big bass.
Nice. Oh, dude.
Yes, total.
Goodness sakes.
Yeah.
I think your one. I think your one back in camp is bigger.
You think it's bigger?
I do.
No kidding, eh?
I do. Goodness sakes.
This thing fought me.
Hold on, let me get my camera out.
This thing fought me like no tomorrow.
You tell the story. Hold on.
Yeah.
Get you in.
Oh, hang on. Let me get him on the hook. I'll get him off the stringer. I was putting him on the stringer just so I could show you.
Oh, thank you.
Because we have way too much fish to eat, and we're here for 3 days, so we're not gonna keep them, right? Let's get this done before he gets too tired. Not like a walleye, even a big one like that doesn't have a big dorsal fin, eh? Ain't that a beauty? Okay, let's put him back. Hey, he's tired. I've had him out of the water for a little while there. He's tired. There you go. Bye-bye, buddy. Thanks for the ride.
Maybe that's another good bass.
That is a monster. I wouldn't be surprised that once we're done cooking this up, we're actually going to have a little bit of fish left over for breakfast tomorrow.
Really?
Yeah, wow, look at these steaks,
Yeah.
and I still got the walleye.
Yeah. I'm thinking for myself, I'm probably not even going to do a side for myself.
Yeah, oh no, I won't.
I'm going to be
Either, yeah, just eat the fish.
Yeah.
Either that or we share a side, but you know what, I'd be okay with just eating the fish.
Yeah. Like I had my lunch there later in the day, so
Yeah.
I'm okay.
Yeah, I feel the same.
No portaging, so to work very hard, I didn't work out much of an appetite.
You know, it's a big fish when you gotta cook one fillet at a time.
Oh,
Or is it just a small frying pan?
Yeah. I think it's, you know, it's probably both.
Uh,
It is a big, that is a big fillet though. That is awesome. You ever seen the fish it used to be? Like the native fish today?
that sun beating on the tent, there's no way I was gonna sleep in with that.
The what, sorry?
The sun beating down on my
Oh,
tent.
yeah.
I wasn't gonna be able to sleep with that.
Nope. but it was nice because we could have coffee in the morning and you know, sit and relax. We weren't waking up at 5 a.m. and
Yeah.
you know, we were pretty chill. Get underway by, you know, 10, 11 o'clock and get to your site by 3 or 4. Set up and swim and fish and
Oh, that's
great.
awesome.
Yeah. So I like
Yeah,
a loop
that's a
like that.
relaxing trip right
Yeah.
there.
And it was just beautiful. I mean, the lakes were so beautiful, clean, clear, beautiful water, beautiful.
I'm gonna
landscape.
rig up your wrap.
Okay,
and I'll
buddy.
let you do the wrapping.
All right, man.
I'm gonna load you up with stuff,
This is great, Mark.
and then you
Appreciate
can
it,
wrap
buddy.
and fold and do however you want.
Okay. Nice.
Bass, bacon, and egg wraps.
Breakfast of champions right here.
Try that. Oh, I'm gonna hit short, but it's okay. Oh man, these basses are... Can't believe the size of these things. Let's go find Pete. I'm gonna bring him another big bass. Come here, big boy. Oh my God, the size of these things. Lexi, you sit down. Wait till you see this. It's a repeat of yesterday. Oh my God, these things are huge. I just keep catching these monsters out here. There we go. Where's my buddy Pete? He's not around. He's gonna have to look at the video. Bye-bye, buddy. These bass are just insane out here. Monsters after monsters. Conditions are a little bit windy. Gotta be careful how I wrangle these things. Okay, I gotta re-rig. Pete and I are just basically paddling the perimeter of the lake. Well, some of the lake is a large lake. We're not gonna paddle the whole perimeter. But the conditions are beautiful, a little bit windy, so we've been chasing after some sheltered bays here and there, pulling off to stretch our legs and rehydrate. We've been catching fish, but nothing worth bragging about. A lot of little bass, but that's okay. We're enjoying all the nature has to throw at us here today, and it is absolutely beautiful out here. It's a pike.
Oh, hey.
First one of the day. It's a snot rocket. Yeah, you know what? I figure if we hug that shoreline, we should be okay. I'm gonna call it a bass. Oh, he's not done. Pretty feisty.
Oh yeah.
Got a lot of fight for a little guy. Okay, don't splash me. You like to splash on the way out, those guys.
Oh yeah.
Whatever it is, it's not jumping. Maybe it's a good sign.
Yeah, I was getting some taps there.
Were you?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Oh, shit.
Son of a...
It was a like a 16-inch walleye, and it just let go.
Oh no.
Yeah.
I was getting tapped there. Just...
You were, right? Well, I'm gonna turn around and do another pass because
Yeah.
yeah, that was a keeper walleye right there. Okay, well, at least that one was hungry.
For sure.
See if we can get him back. Good sight.
That was walleye. It wasn't running.
Yeah.
It wasn't coming up.
Okay. Good size one by the looks of it. That rod was bent up pretty good. Well, you said earlier you wanted to catch a pike.
I do like catching pike though, but I have my heart set on the walleye.
Yeah, yeah.
I saw the rod go like this. And set the hook.
Yeah, I lip those all day long. Try it. Oh. Nope. False alarm. I thought I had a bite, but I'm touching bottom. Oh yeah. If you were into eating pike, that'd be a keeper. Oh, jeez.
Oh crap!
Did I just crack this thing? Oh, I did too, I think.
No!
No, I
Oh,
can't. I'm done.
You're down like 9 feet in the sand there, bud.
Gotta love sand.
Oh man.
That's sand for you.
Yes, sir.
I hate sand. You gotta like some stuff about it, but generally I hate it.
It gets old. It does.
It gets everywhere.
Oh yeah.
Hi, Lexi. You want to come over here? Come here.
Oh.
Come here. Come see me. Yeah. Hey, puppy. Did you have a good day today, puppy? You know, she hardly ever laid down. The whole day she's standing
just
or
sitting up,
sitting.
Yep.
She's like that. Misty's the other way around. Misty will curl up in a ball in the down right in the middle, perfect middle.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
She curls up and she goes for a snooze and she just chills.
Yeah.
Her, no, she's got her eyes around that rod tip all day long.
She does not rest, eh?
And because
Just waiting.
she's always anticipating, that.
Mm-hmm.
And then what happens is, because she does that, she leans over the canoe. So she's tilting the canoe. So then I have to adjust I tilt the other
You
way
heel
to
the other
compensate.
Oh yeah.
And then after a while, you get a sore back. It's like,
Oh,
why
dog.
don't you just lay down?
No dog.
I know, Lexi doesn't.
She
want-
just refuses to miss anything.
Yeah,
eh?
she's so scared she's gonna miss out on something.
Yeah.
So what do you think of
Oh,
the lake so far? The big lake, eh?
Oh, it's an awesome lake. It's beautiful. It's all to ourselves. There's enormous smallmouth bass in here.
Yeah.
Mark's pulled out about every one of them.
Too bad we don't have a crap load of walleye, but whatever. It's fishing, right?
It's hit
That's
and
what it's
miss.
all about. So for my my viewers
Yes.
who don't know you, some of my viewers do know you.
Mm-hmm.
So you're Pete from the YouTube channel Latitudes.
I am.
Is it Latitude or Latitude Films?
Latitudes.
Latitudes.
Latitudes Wilderness Films.
Wilderness Film. Okay, I knew there was something else following behind that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's complicated and weird.
So go see his channel, everybody.
be
Links
cool.
are below. And
Thank
awesome having you right here.
Oh, absolutely, buddy. Thanks for having me.
No problem. Awesome having you here. I'm awesome meeting you. Now, I just want to, I talked about this with you earlier. I wanted to mention the work you did with the French River
Yeah.
film that you did, or
Yep.
video. And for those of you who are not from Canada, the French River is one of multiple waterways that was very critical, and it was very instrumental, is what I should say, on developing this continent. And you did the canoe route of the French River,
Yep.
and you did a whole segment on the history behind it,
Yep.
because the French River wasn't just used by the Inuits, the indigenous people. They were used by the Jesuits and
Yep.
the fur traders and
Missionaries,
you
fur
name it.
traders,
Anybody that
settlers.
wanted to have a piece of this continent
Yep.
went through that river. So,
Yep.
yeah, it's an excellent film. Congratulations on the success. It turned out
thank you.
absolutely beautiful.
Thank you.
Excellent work.
Thank you very much.
So, you know what? Actually, you know what? I'm going to put a separate link to that video directly
thank
down
you.
below.
Nice.
And I urge all of you to go see it. It really is something that needs to be seen. Did a great job.
Oh, thanks, man.
Yeah,
Much
can't say that
appreciated.
enough.
A lot of work.
Yeah, yeah.
A lot of
absolutely.
work,
Hey,
man.
you know what?
Holy crap.
Your work paid off.
Yeah.
And it's not something that can be slapped together, and you can tell it's not slapped together. It was done very professional, and and I love that about the YouTube community. You can have an average guy, like
Yeah.
we're just
Oh, for
average
sure.
people.
Yeah, yeah.
And you're
Yeah.
an average guy, and you just utilize some tools at hand,
Mhm.
and you created something that is actually really, really well done. And
Awesome.
you didn't pay anybody to do your
No,
research and whatever, right? All the
Did it all.
historical research behind it, and
Yep. Did it all.
so yeah, it's actually an excellent film. I call it a film because I view it as a film, even though
I
it's a
view
YouTube
it. I like to
video.
think of it that way too,
Yeah.
because it was just, I don't know.
Well, it
the
is
work
done
into
in
it.
that. It is done
Yeah.
in that caliber, in
Yeah.
my opinion.
Yeah, thank you.
So,
That's what I was
yeah.
going for sure. And no, I'm very happy with the end product for sure, and it's done well. And man, I love it so much, and I love that you have a bit of history along the French River, especially
Yeah,
the north
yeah.
end, the Nipissing end,
Yeah,
the Sandy
absolutely.
Island.
It was awesome.
It's really cool.
I was really looking. Actually, I remember I messaged you and I said, "Hey, come on, let's go. Let's get
Yeah,
it together. I
yeah.
want to see it," because I was anticipating it. Because I'm from that area, the Nipissing, Lake Nipissing area. So, yeah, I related directly with Dokis,
Yep.
the dam in Dokis and
Yep,
all that.
we saw
And
all that.
so, yeah, absolutely.
We didn't fish though on that trip. We tried fishing and we didn't have any success.
Did you? Yeah.
Yeah, we tried, but
You're a late season.
it was late season and most of the time the weather wasn't in our favor.
Yeah.
And we had to make tracks too.
Yeah, you
Like, we had
battled
to get
some
the whole thing done.
some high winds on Nipissing,
Definitely did.
and Nipissing could be notorious for having some pretty high winds.
That day so day 2 we had tailwinds, but they were in the 30 to 40 kilometer an hour range, right? And you paddle across some open bays. If you're just cutting from one area to another,
It
you're
sweeps
fully
you away.
exposed. You're fully swept. You're getting pushed out into the lake,
Yeah.
and it's a huge lake.
Yeah.
And so it was intimidating, but it was a beautiful paddle along the southern shore of Lake Nipissing, and I'd do it again in a heartbeat. It was
Yeah, that
gorgeous.
whole area, the canoe pass. You went. Did you take? No, you didn't take the canoe pass.
We took
eh?
canoe pass.
You
yeah,
did take
we
it. Okay.
Yeah.
That whole rock face.
Yeah, yeah.
That gorge there is
It
kind of
is
like a
beautiful.
gorge. It's beautiful area.
Yeah, I loved it up there.
Yeah.
The Nipissing paddle was actually a highlight for each of us. We loved it.
Mm-hmm.
We really loved it. And with the Upper French, the Dokis area and that, it was just
Yeah.
gorgeous. We loved it.
Because the lower part of it is the one that most people travel.
Everyone knows about it.
Right, going
Everyone's,
into Georgian Bay,
Yep.
that section of the French River.
everyone sees
It's a
that.
very well-known canoe route, and tons of
Yep.
people paddle it. And it's a beautiful area,
Yeah.
but you started at a part that nobody really goes.
No,
There's,
no. And I don't know why. It's gorgeous.
Yeah,
It's
absolutely.
amazing. But
I think it probably access. The
yeah,
ease of
access is a little
right?
trickier.
Because you got to know where you're going back in there.
But no, loved it. Now I get to get out here and explore some Crown Land
Yep.
with one of the greatest
Whoa.
Crown Land explorers of all time,
Whoa, easy.
Monsieur Macleviche.
Yeah. No, it was great having you.
Thanks, buddy.
It's this is one of the reasons why and I mentioned this on an older video now, that one of the reasons why I'm doing YouTube is to connect and get to know other people
Yeah.
with similar interests.
Yeah.
And you're just another example of that.
Yeah.
Doug from Pine Tree Line
Yep.
is a prime example.
Dougie.
This is another example. Getting to know people. So that's what I aim to do is
Yeah.
to get to know people.
That
It doesn't
part's
have to be people that have to hang out with like this on the beach on a
Mm-hmm.
secluded lake, but just to have that connection and relate with people and say, hey, I got a tip for you, and they can say, yeah, hey, have you tried this? It's great that community's there.
Oh yeah, and it's a pretty small community, really.
It
But
is.
but it's tight knit.
It is.
Everyone's friends with everyone. It's pretty good.
Yeah, it is. Well, with that said, Chin Chin,
Cheers, buddy.
I got a little bottle of something there stashed away. I just thought I'm gonna break it out.
Nice.
I don't know what it is. I've never tasted
We'll
it.
figure it out.
We'll figure it out. So
Okay.
you'll have to break out your cup, and we'll finish up our fireside
Oh.
and enjoy the night. And we still have another full day out here.
We do.
So maybe tomorrow we'll latch onto some quality fish.
If it was slow today, I'm thinking if the wind shut it down today, we should be good tomorrow.
Yeah, I hope so.
I would think.
The only problem is I know that the walleye action is more at this end of the lake, and tomorrow we'll be paddling out.
That way.
But we'll guaranteed there'll be some smallmouth
get some
bass
smallies.
action there too. But you never know. Time will tell.
Time will tell, buddy.
All right. See you guys tomorrow. For you guys, it'll be just a morning of day 3. We're both loaded, just leaving our site. Today we paddle out, paddle back home, but we're going to be leisurely about it because we have all day, which means more fishing and enjoying the backcountry, and stay hydrated. It's going to be a hot one. Pete's just loading up his last few pieces of equipment and see what we're gonna make happen with today. Okay, video's not over. Let's get crack-a-lacking. Feisty little pike. See all these black dots right here? He's covered in black dots. Those are all parasites. I'm not sure if the camera is going to pick it up, but those black dots are all parasites. That little pike covered in it. Okay, let's see if we can move on to something a little bit nicer than a little snot rocket. You let go for you?
Yes, sir.
Do the deed. That's okay. Took care of the hard work for me.
I'm gonna have my lunch, I think.
You know what? That's not a bad idea. Perfect spot to get off and stretch our legs a little bit. Yeah.
I think it's a better one. Really stand down.
Oh. Ah, jeez. You sure it's not a walleye?
Hey?
Did you see it?
No.
When it wants to keep staying down, it's often a walleye. Yeah, he's going around in a circle a little bit.
Smallie.
Is it?
Yeah.
Didn't jump. Huh. Odd. Oh, there's a nice one.
Little football though.
Man, is he ever black?
Yeah. Well, he's
From here, he looks really dark.
white belly. Let's see.
Definitely a decent catch there.
I really thought it was a pike because he was running so much.
Yeah?
He up.
He feels big. Definitely a nice one. Not big like the other big ones I've had in there, but it's a nice one. Yeah. Nothing to kick about. All right, time to call it quits. Thanks for coming out, everybody. Pete, thanks for coming out with me.
Absolutely. I had a freaking blast, man. It was awesome.
Everyone, Pete, go check out his channel. I'll catch all of you guys on the next one.